All right, guys, final update on the King Ranch seats. As you can tell, they look new. I told you. Big shout out to Danny over at the interior shop. I'm gonna go ahead and plug that info in right now. If you guys need seat work done, go see him and his father. They are the best in town. They've been fixing all our seats for 10 years. Watch all our videos. They fix every one of them. But interior shop down in Kansas City, Kansas. Danny, shout out to you. He killed it on these things. The only thing that is original, he was telling me, you can see the headrests, and then he salvaged the King Ranch emblems and then stitched them into the new material. So if you're looking at these seats, all this is new. All that. That's the old headrest. Everything is new. And then on the backings, I think that was still nice. Yeah, backings are original. They got the King Ranch, what do you call them? Envelope style pockets on them. But they look great. So we're gonna get them back in the truck, get the truck on the road and running, and it is coming to an end, guys. So we'll have our final build spec sheet up for you shortly, and you can see what it took to get this King Ranch 100% ready.